मेरे साथ ही ऐसा क्यों होता है? मुझे ही ऐसे लोग क्यों मिलते हैं बार बार? अगर आपको इस प्रॉब्लम का आंसर चाहिए या लाइफ में जो हमारी डेली प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं उन सब का आंसर आपको इस बुक में मिलेगा। यू कैन हैव इट ऑल बाय गौर गोपाल दास। तो आज हम इस बुक को डिस्कस करेंगे। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। Hi everyone, my name is Chevi Jain. I'm a content creator, Instagram influencer, and now a YouTuber as well. If you love my content, talking about English, talking about books, and whatever I learn in life, then do subscribe to my channel and do like this video. Today, I thought that we'll discuss the daily problems that we get in our life, and all these daily problems answer were there in this book. गौर गोपाल दास जी ने बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल तरीके से एक मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड में सेट किया है और हर किसी की जो प्रॉब्लम्स, जो एक्चुअली हमारी भी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, उन सब के आंसर्स इस बुक में दिए हैं एंड आई एब्सोल्युटली लव्ड इट। सो द फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम दैट आई एम गोना डिस्कस इज ये मेरे साथ ही क्यों होता है? व्हाई डू आई कीप मीटिंग द रॉन्ग पीपल अगेन एंड अगेन? सो गौर गोपाल दास जी ने इसको बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल तरीके से एक्सप्लेन किया है that sometimes we believe that we have healed or moved on in reality, but actually we are carrying those traumas internally, and that is why we are vibrating or we are carrying the energy which is not attracting the right sort of people we want. So if you want to bring in new people in your life and the right people, the right things in your life, then you need to change the frequency of you. First of all, you need to understand or realize about the emotional pattern that you're carrying in your heart and understand what traumas are there inside you. So once you get awakened, bring in awareness for that, you can bring changes to those things so that you attract the right sort of people in your life. So here on page number 139, he talks about this phenomena, the acronym ARISE. ARISE is basically awareness, bring awareness, and then you have to start releasing it. You have to start turning your negative thoughts into positive ones and start bringing in healing so that it changes. And then you have to keep installing new scripts. So something that you have not healed, the negative thing, replace it with positive. So you have to constantly say that to yourself and the changes will start happening. And then you have to set boundaries. You cannot allow toxic people to be around you. So break the loop and attract the people or the things that you're looking forward in your life. Second problem, why is he so lucky? Why is she so lucky? Why do I not have those privileges? सो गौर गोपाल दास ने इसको बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल लोटस के एग्जाम्पल से एक्सप्लेन किया है। सो वो कहते हैं कि अब हम किस क्लीन वाटर में ग्रो कर रहे हैं या मर्की वाटर में ग्रो कर रहे हैं, दिस इज़ नॉट इन आवर कंट्रोल एंड वी शुड स्टॉप पॉन्डरिंग ओवर दिस थिंग. The purpose is same for everyone, to bloom, and we can definitely change how we bloom. So this is one thing that I would like to quote from the book, that we can't control whether we are grown in clean ponds or in swampy waters. What matters is not the pond we inherit, but the flower we allow ourselves to become. So it's in our hand how we want to bloom. So stop pondering over things that are not in your control. Why is he so lucky? भूल जाओ, सिर्फ अपने ऊपर फोकस करो और कैसे bloom करना है. Keep your focus there. Some lessons teach you about abundance, some about loss, some about applause, some about betrayal. So let's welcome them all, and your effort, every single effort should be rewarded. इसी के ही आगे जाते हैं. Again, a beautiful concept he explained, that we keep asking, we get stuck in our life and we keep saying, why is it happening with us? Why did this thing happen with me? And all those questions that keep coming in our mind. So he gives an example of this tongue twister. Betty bought butter, but the butter was bitter. Betty bought another butter to make the bitter butter better. So आपने ये तो सुना होगा, but गौर गोपाल दास जी ने इसको बहुत ही एक लॉजिकल वे से एक्सप्लेन किया है कि अगर बेटी भी फोकस करती कि मेरा ही बटर बिटर क्यों है, शी वुड नॉट हैव बीन एबल टू मेक एनी केक और मेक द बैटर बेटर. शी ऑल्सो मूव्ड ऑन, picked up another butter and started making another batter. So that's how we should also lead our life. We should not focus on the why. We should keep our growth as our focus. The third problem, jumping into misunderstandings. कि बहुत जल्दी misunderstanding हो जाती है, पता नहीं क्यों. क्यों होती है? क्योंकि look at this. If two people are standing opposite to each other, the number that is on the floor might be 9 to one person and might be 6 to the other person. Everyone's perception or grasping information is going to be different. And he also talks about this concept called as, you, me. Assume. When you assume things, you make an as out of you and me. Because assumption, we should not be dependent on assumptions. We need to get the facts right. Facts first, feelings later. That's what I learned from this book. So perception का फर्क होता है. Assumptions create a lot of fuss and problem. So make sure that you understand, try to get the other person's perspective on things before assuming anything else. So he also gave beautiful example of a student. So when the teacher is teaching 2 plus 2, so you have 2 apples, he has 2 apples, how many apples do you have in total? So they're giving 4 answer. Then she asks someone, you have 2 pair and he has 2 pair, how many do you have in total? The answer is 4. But when the teacher asked Rahul that I have 2 mangoes, Rohan has 2 mangoes, how many mangoes will you get? And he answered 5. And the teacher was continuously thinking, what the hell? Abhi to sikhaya 2 plus 2, 4, and then why is he saying 5? But Rahul woke up and suddenly showed 1 mango that he already had in his bag. That is why he said that he has 5 mangoes. But if the teacher or Rahul would not have gotten up to express himself clearly, the teacher would have assumed himself to be dumb or stupid. So, assumption can lead to major misunderstandings. Change that. The next problem that we have is that we keep asking God, I have been working so hard, I have been running after wealth, success, but I'm not able to achieve my goals. At least things are not going according to my plan. So when you have such doubts in your mind, what do you need to do? So he explained with this beautiful example that when there is a garden, we are trying to chase butterflies. The more we'll chase them, the more they'll run away. But if there is a beautiful garden set by you, butterflies will automatically come, sit on the flowers, and be there, stay there. So, what do you need to focus on? Building your own garden of peace, wealth, success, focusing on your own self. And when your garden is ready, all the fruits or all the butterflies that you're looking for in your life will just enter and they may stay. Isn't that beautiful? I loved it. We don't have to run after butterflies. We have to build a garden so that we can invite them and we can enjoy them. Also, I loved this concept of detachment, that the moment you detach yourself from the outcome of the actions that you have taken, things will start to flourish. ये मेरे साथ भी होता है. You know, the moment I keep checking how many views I have got, I made this reel with so much effort, इस पे तो बहुत सारे views आएंगे, but it doesn't happen because I'm chasing numbers. But when I randomly post content and don't even give a damn कि क्या views आएंगे, I loved it, I'm gonna do it, let the world see if they want to see it and just forget about it. I've done my work, I did my bit and I forgot about it. And things bloom. Butterflies, the views, the likes, shares, everything's come my way. Detaching yourself from the outcome is really important. Just do your bit with your heart and soul and things will bloom. The next problem that we face in our life is talking about, मैं तो fail हो गया, I can't do anything about it. You tend to give up, you feel super demotivated. But Gaur Gopal Das ji mentioned about Wabi Sabi. And this concept, we might have heard about Wabi Sabi, where there are cracks. Japanese, they try to fill those gaps, those cracks with gold, and they make the cup look all the more beautiful. That's true. Wabi Sabi is there. It teaches you that you should start accepting yourself as who you are with all your imperfections, and that is what makes you beautiful. So, Wabi Sabi concept is actually super beautiful, and accepting failures के बारे में बात करते हुए गौर गोपाल दास जी कहते हैं, but a crack doesn't mean you are broken beyond use. It only means you have lived and experienced more than most could. While explaining this concept of wabi sabi, that accepting our imperfection is really important, he also talks about, does acceptance mean we stop striving to improve? Is that making people lazy? Really? Yeah, it might happen. But then he also explains that you don't give up on yourself, you have to strive to become better. True acceptance isn't apathy, it's the ground from which real growth begins. We stop, when we accept ourselves, we stop fighting who we are long enough to actually work on who we can become. Without the acceptance, improvement is driven by guilt, fear, or comparison, and such improvement doesn't last. It is important for us to acknowledge our imperfection, but also we should not give up on becoming a better self. We should grow with compassion, not punishment. We should choose progress, not perfection, and we should have presence, not pressure. Isn't that amazing? I loved it. So the last problem that we always say, that I don't have resources to grow. There are no options around me. What should I do? जब कुछ है ही नहीं आसपास तो मैं कैसे grow करूँ? So Gaur Gopal Das ji explains beautifully that whatever you have, I think we are all aware, whatever you have in your life, you should start from there. कहीं से भी शुरू करो. That is what is important in your life. And we cannot command the rain, but we can plow and soil the seeds, and whenever they have to bloom, they will bloom. We can look forward to the harvest whenever it's going to happen. Karma and destiny are not excuses to stay still. They are the reminders to act wisely. How beautiful is that? और अगर आपको और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखनी हैं, जैसे स्नेक्स एंड लैडर्स का कॉन्सेप्ट, अर्ज टू फिक्स एवरी प्रॉब्लम, उन सब की बातें, एंड व्हाट इज़ इट अबाउट स्ट्रेंथ, बहुत सारी चीज़ों के बारे में ही हैज़ एक्सप्लेन्ड इट ब्यूटिफुली विद द फिनोमिना दैट वुड अलाइन वेल विद us, and it will flow smoothly. So I would give it a 5-star rating for this book. So if you loved me explaining about this book and you want me to do it again and again, come up with something exciting and new, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, like this video, share it with your friends. I'm sure you're gonna love and learn a lot, and let me know in the comments below. Ta-da!